I tell you what, people, you know what is gross? Someone picking their nose and fucking eating it. That is gross. So I'm standing here at my bloody window because I've got no bloody light. It's getting dark and I don't have any light. So today's word I want to teach you is gross. Gross, gross, gross. Australians like to use that, especially young ladies. They like to go, oh, that's gross, don't you, that? And we actually use it quite a lot for something that is very disgusting. But you know what I find gross? This bloody wall, man. It's bloody gross and disgusting. You know what else is gross? Bloody rubbish. And think, some people who don't have much money actually are gross. They actually have to go through rubbish bins. Poor bastards. So this word gross is used for anything that is disgusting. So you can use it in a sentence like, oh, that person over there, they don't have a shower. They're gross. Very gross. Or you could go to someone's house and this is going to sound disgusting, but some people actually don't clean their house. They leave dishes everywhere, clothes everywhere. They don't wash their clothes. They don't have a shower. They're just bloody gross. So when you go to their house, you go, I'm not coming into your house. Your house is just bloody gross. Oh, very disgusting. Yeah. So that's how we use the word gross. You can use it in a sentence by adopting it, by replacing it with any words that are disgusting, dirty, yucky. Just put the word gross in it and yeah, they will get what they mean because they're just disgusting people.